Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So I am a little bit excited to try this because I watch Third Eye Angel's channel. She's doing like a whole little series on her channel right now, so go check it out. But she used the LA Hold Styling Stronghold Gel. It looks like this, and I got this for $5.99 at Marshall's. I literally went to Marshall's like I have to try it. I'm not even in full frame. You gotta cap it up a little bit. So we're gonna get right into the video. The directions say work through damp or dry hair and style as desired for a professional finish. So she saw Happy Curl use it. Happy Curl, Happy Girl. And then I saw her use it, but I guess it was originally from Happy Girl, Happy Girl. I love Raina. So I'm gonna try it, and my hair is already washed, deep conditioned. It's just dry right now because I didn't put no products on my hair other than my edges to go find this gel today. So I like washed and deep conditioned and everything my hair last night. And for my leave-in conditioner, I just applied some curl enhancing smoothie. This is the OG, if you guys don't know, that's the OG natural product. And then I sealed it in with my oil mixture. And then we're gonna just get into it. I'm super excited. So I've sectioned my hair 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see the flow of my hair. If you're new here, this is a new section. Like I usually split it down 4, but I'm trying a different technique. So girl, I'm excited. They both said that this is a super strong hold gel where your hair won't move. Now I don't mind the strong hold, however I do mind the crunch where I can't maneuver my hair. So that's why I applied like that thick leave-in and oil sealant. So let's start. I'm trying to show y'all, but I'm not trying to get wet. So we're gonna split this. I keep losing my clip, bro. That's in my towel. So I'm gonna split this bottom section into 2 and work it how I work it. So if you guys don't know, I have low porosity hair, and I would consider it to be fine strands. However, I did just big chop and my hair is really thick right now, so it's not so dense. It's like a medium density. There we go. So as you guys can see, the leave-in is on my hair and it's starting to get back to business as we wanted to. So I'm just really wet it up nicely. Okay y'all, so of course I'm not gonna do some dry hair even though it said you can. Raina said it smells really good, which it does. It smells like a flower. So it comes out like this, and it's actually pretty thick but smooth. So what I like to do is apply it on the whole section of my hair and then work it on. Very smooth, very smooth. Because I'm looking for a strong hold gel, but that doesn't dry my hair out. Like I recently tried the Eco Gel and it was flaky. So that's one application. Apply this much more on my roots. I'm trying my hardest not to section my hair because my back part of my hair is the bottom. It shrinks so much and it makes me look like I have an undercut. So I'm trying not to do the bottom. Okay, that section's done. I'm gonna actually brush this side. Of my hair. I did notice it's like a little frizzy right here, so I might add some more. I just like my ends curls to be kind of clumped, if that makes sense, so they can remain defined throughout the days of my wash and go. I do like it, the wet results. So I'm going to check this section out because I can't really see on here. It's pretty defined, y'all. And I'm gonna air dry for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm going to sit on my hair dryer, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm so excited, y'all. It looks good, feels good. Which I know wet be better than dry sometimes. Solidifying. Look at this, y'all. Every part of my hair is defined. Every part. Look at that. Crazy. I think I'm not gonna fluff my hair.